Yo, 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 yo. Trade review time, guys. Um, I have hit my profit limit for TOPSTEP for the day. So I have made $3,600 or just shy of that. So, just a quick trade review of how I got there. Go to our NASDAQ. Let's get the executions off. Guys, the NASDAQ's got a big hole in the chart. Like a pretty gaping hole. There's a large hole down here. I wonder if y'all see the hole in the chart. So, although the NASDAQ has been repeatedly sweeping into our buy-side liquidity here, at some point it should make its way to the hole in the chart. Now, I have basically just shorted every new high. Okay, and I was taking drawdown, but I already had a drawdown. I already had a lot of drawdown to give. And you see this little, like, 30-point push that we had down in 2 minutes. I covered all my contracts on that. So, I think the NASDAQ right now is playing games with you, making you think it's not coming to the big hole in the chart. But I'm pretty confident that it should come to the big hole in the chart. So, I think it's been playing games all night. It's been playing mind games. You know, there's a big hole in the chart. And it's been skirting that hole for a while. And, you know, how long the NASDAQ can skirt said hole, I don't really know. But there's a big hole in the chart, and so therefore I was not willing to go long. Even with these repeated liquidity sweeps, I'm not willing to go long when there's a giant hole in the chart sitting below. So, with that being said, you can see I just cost averaged into a bunch of shorts and then covered on the very first push down as I hit the profit limit. So, was that my cleanest trading? No. Is that like entering in exactly on a PD array? Like, kind of, turtle soups. This was mostly just like, yo, there's a big hole in the chart. Price is probably going to come down to said hole at some point. Don't know when, but it should come down there at some point. So every time that price makes a new high, I'm going short. And basically that you're looking at the entire trade idea there. You know, the NASDAQ right now is kind of making you think it's not coming to the giant gaping hole in the chart. It's probably going to come down to the giant gaping hole in the chart at some point after it's, you know, swept enough buy-side liquidity. Because, I mean, look at this NASDAQ just like repeated here liquidity sweeps, right? A 5-minute chart. Let's go down to a 3-minute chart. I mean, look, just sweep that liquidity, sweep it again. You know, how long does the NASDAQ want to meander and dance around here and pretend like it's not going to the damn hole in the chart? It's playing mind games with me right now. But anyways, as you can see, I was short a whole bushel of contracts and we covered them all on a single push down, and that was our profit limit. So if I paper trade this later, we'll see. Kind of worn out my voice tonight. That's kind of all I want to give. What you're seeing on the calculator, that is my profit limit to get funded tomorrow. So Lord willing, we can get funded tomorrow, get back on that express funded, get the opportunity to get a paycheck. We're working one contract at a time. We're trying to show you responsible, disciplined, reasonable, okay, day trading. I'm not trying to show you degenerate gambling. That's really not what I want to do. I'm not going to put on 10 contracts at one spot. I'm going to go one at a time and try and show you reasonable day trading. And as you can see, I made $3,600 fake dollars, simulated fake dollars today on a holiday shortened day when the NASDAQ is not moving at all. So do you think that, you know, it's impossible using reasonable risk management when the NASDAQ is actually moving? Of course, you can get there. All right? If I can get there on a night like this when the market is just playing mind games with you, making you think it's not coming to the giant hole in the chart, if I can get there tonight, I mean, you know, you can get there with any market conditions, I'm telling you, in my opinion. So it takes a lot of risk management. It takes, you know, unfortunately, I had to scale into these positions, and that's not something that I like doing necessarily. especially not that many contracts. But there's a giant hole in the chart. Did I mention like gaping hole in the chart? Guys, come on. You know how long it wants to play these mind games and make you think it's not coming to the huge hole in the chart? I don't know. Could be hours, could be all the way till Tuesday or Wednesday. Like it could literally not come back to this hole in the chart for days. But at some point it should come back and fill in the huge hole in the chart. So that's why I was short all night. That's why I was only looking at shorts. I'm not going long with a huge hole in the chart below price. Okay? So, was it my cleanest trading tonight? No. But that's going to be a review of today's TOPSTEP trading. I can no longer trade TOPSTEP as I have hit my profit limit. Now when I'm on the Express Funded account, no more profit limit. But here, profit limit. So with that being said, maybe paper trading later today, maybe not. Bye-bye.